Mabilis lang.
Ready? Ready po?
Ready? Get set, go.
Kadatanon mamla, kadatanon tata, kadatanon at skin, kadatanon at skin,
Ay, Billy
kadatanon,
Boy. Ay, si Billy Boy.
kadatanon kama, kadatanon grama, kadatanon star.
Hello, Billy Boy.
No! Kadatanon daaga. Kadatanon ipis.
Okay. Today is
Monday.
and uniform day. Anong subject?
Reading in Filipino.
Very good.
Simon, ano nagagawa mo kanina?
Ay, anong ginawa niyo po kanina?
Diba ang exam, diba?
Tapos na po exam. Mag-check na si teacher ng ano nyo ngayon, yung sagot.
Ay.
Exam paper.
Kita yun ni...
Parang si Yas yun. Si Yas at saka si daddy niya.
Apa?
Yes.
What?
Ay.
So hot! It says sunny day and raining day.
Makulimlim. Sunny day siya, mainit siya, pero mukhang nandidilim. Baka umulan mamaya. Yung sampay ko.
Can you protect your clothes?
Yeah, sige. Paano?
Red light. Green light.
Umbay eh. Ano ba? Umbay.
Wait, red light and green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light.
Green rice.
In the green light. What do you say?
Dito ka, you.
Who?
Yeah.
Ano sabi mo po? Ano sabi mo po? Anong name
Ngayon
yan
ko
dyan?
lang na ano Lelen na yung itsura mo mukha kang Shrek. Nakapil damit, uniform, color green, tapos yung hair tie mo mukhang tenga na Shrek. Eh, napakita mo kay Mamela yung tali mo sa buhok. Look, Mamela. Here. Kamukha ni Shrek. Oh, here. Hawak mo na nga.
I don't want it! I look like goat! I look like Shrek! I look like Shrek!
Wala, cute mo si Shrek.
Hindi sa back rooms, diba?
Sa bathroom?
Back rooms! Back rooms!
Mamaya, panoorin natin sa Shrek. Bakit? Cartoon.
Is that story? A butterfly! A butterfly!
Okay.
I see a butterfly. It's white.
Movie man yun.
A movie. It's from the Netflix.
Opo.
I think I let it scared now. Am I gonna scream?
Ah, ganun?
It is super loud.
Ah, super loud.
Look at you doing sideways.
Bakit sideways? Are you a crab?
Yeah. I'm a flower. Why so? What am I? Why is it orange?
Anong ba sa orange?
Ito po.
Ah, kasi tuyo na yung dahon.
Ah!
There's a mango.
Can you eat that mango? But we need to clean it.
Di ka kumain ng mango.
Hindi ikaw.
Ikaw.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye.